Have you ever wondered, can I really buy land in Cameroon while living abroad? The answer is yes, but only if you follow the right processes. Today I'm going to share some simple steps my clients use to buy land while living abroad. If you are living abroad and dream of owning land back home, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Buea, a trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. I hope Cameroonians, both home and abroad, buy land safely without stress and avoiding costly mistakes. If you enjoy about real estate and land investment, then please subscribe to this channel because I share helpful tips about real estate and land investment always, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Step 1. The client know what they wanted. The first thing we discussed was their goals. Were they buying to build a house? Were they buying to keep the land so that it can increase in value for future investment? Or were they buying for their children in the future? Knowing your goals help you choose the right location and the right type of land. Step 2, we shared information. The next step we followed was sharing information. We discussed the different options available, that is the location, the surrounding, and the available document in each location. The clients asked many questions, and that is exactly what I encourage every buyer to do. Don't be afraid to ask as many questions as possible before making any payment or any transaction. Step 3, the land was reviewed. The clients wanted to understand exactly what they were buying. We reviewed the available information about the properties and talked through the important details. When you are buying from abroad, it's important to understand the details very well before making any land payment. Step 4, everything was kept clear. Throughout the whole process, communication was kept very clear. The clients received update and made sure they asked every question on anything that doesn't look clear. Good communication in every business helps bring confidence. Step 5, the clients felt very confident. By the end of the process, the clients felt very comfortable with their decision because I gave them a lot of time to understand the property and ask a lot of questions for clarity. And that is the approach I encourage for every Cameroonian living in the diaspora before making any land transaction. Take your time carefully, learn the process, and make informed decisions with confidence. So if you are living abroad, don't think buying land here in Cameroon is impossible. It's very possible with the right process. The key is to ask questions, understand the process, and work with people who communicate clearly and professionally. Buying land from abroad doesn't need to be stressful. With good preparation, proper information, and careful decision making, you can move forward with greater confidence. But remember, every situation is different, so take your time to understand every detail before making any land investment. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips. Now please tell me in the comment section, which country are you watching from? I'd love to know where our viewers are watching from. And if you are living abroad and would like to know more about buying verified lands here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon, then contact me directly or send me a message on WhatsApp via the numbers on your screen. I shall help guide you and make you understand the process very well, step by step, without making any mistake. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, don't just work for money. Let your money too work for you through smart real estate investments. I shall see you in the next video.